Well, as the new COVID variant Omicron spreads across the world, there are still no confirmed cases in the U.S. However, scientists are keeping a close watch, including several right here in Missouri. And 5 on your side's Ryan Henson has a closer look at where evidence of the new variant will likely show up first. Ryan.
Well, Mike, the answer is in the water, wastewater to be exact. And University of Missouri scientists have been tracking COVID variants this way pretty much throughout the pandemic. The state's Department of Health and Human Services says it's vital information that will help keep the community and the state safe.
If there is any community where this is spreading, we'll be able to detect it. And
Mark Johnson is a professor at the University of Missouri-Columbia. His program tests nearly 70 samples of wastewater a day from 23 communities across the state. He'll be one of the first to know when Omicron reaches Missouri.
Omicron has 12. It will stand out like a sore thumb if it arrives.
The test can potentially detect the variant days before people test positive.
Kind of have this like a comprehensive strategy to allow us to keep track of this specific variant and to understand how fast they spread.
Chung Ho Lin runs the lab where samples are tested. The state's Department of Health and Human Services uses this information so they can alert the public. On Tuesday, DHHS leaders said emerging variants can be highly unpredictable and urged Missourians to remain cautious. They echo the concerns of local health leaders with the St. Louis Regional Pandemic Task Force.
In Missouri, there is a very active wastewater surveillance process, and that's a very clever strategy to see if a particular variant has entered the region.
So here's some quick numbers for you right here. 364 people are in area hospitals with COVID right now. Of those patients, roughly 25% are fully vaccinated. Doctors still saying with so many uncertainties with new variants, your best protection is getting vaccinated or getting the booster. I'll send it back to the studio for now.